Okay, welcome guys. This is your one and only friend, the main importation dynasty guru, Oladime Jeraji, the creator of Internet Empire. That's the name of my channel on YouTube. Now, I want to actually walk you through how you can create sales page for your imported products using Google Form. Not everyone has the technical know-how, one, for have actually hosting a website, buying a domain name and a hosting account, and also how to actually go into the technicality. So to break it down, I understand that many of us have a Gmail account, and once you have a Gmail account, you have access to what we call Google Form. So we're going to be using Google Form to clone something similar to this website. Do you understand now? So that's what we'll be doing um, in a jiffy. So that said, so let's get out to work. So what we're going to do now is open a new tab and type google.com/forms. google.com/forms. Hit enter. Now this is how it's going to look like. I have some couple of forms I created on this Gmail account. Bear in mind your Gmail must be, you must be signed in into your Gmail. So this is one of my Gmail accounts. Now that said, click on this place you see blank on this plus sign. Just click on it. You find it so interesting. Now it's so simple, so simple. Now you could decide to give it a name. Okay, you could call the form massager or massager device. I'm doing this because of my students who are actually having a heck of time hosting their websites, or those who don't have the finances for the very first time to create their own unique website. So now bear in mind that we might not have all the flexibility that we're going to be seeing here, but at least we can actually have a site of our own to promote our product. I've used it for many of my products quite a number of times, and then I sold them using Google Forms. So now this is what you're going to have. So we start by actually making this as our header, just like you have it here: relax and tone fat burning massager for a slimmer and lovely body. So I'm just going to copy this. So copy, I come back into my Google Form and Control V to paste it there. Can you see? So just something like that. Just something like that. Yeah. So the only thing here is that you might not have the flexibility of changing around colors as you so desire. So now we're gonna go to the subheading: burn belly fat fast. Also, I'm gonna copy this. Just watch as I do it. At least we can arrive at something closer. Yeah. So just put it in here. Let me just use backspace to center align this. So let me just bring it here. So yeah, and let me also say before I go far, you can always tweak one or two things around this. If you don't want these colors, you can come under excuse me, under customize theme. So you can change the theme color. You can see is on this. This is where I click on this color palette, customize theme. So you can come under this customized theme. You can see, so once you click on it, it will show this. So if I check on any of these colors, you're going to see the difference that you see. So it's changing. So it depends on what you actually want. So at times I just change it to make it look unique to myself. So that's that about that. You can actually change the font also depending on what you actually want. So if that's the font you want to go for, so you can play around with the fonts, you see. So yeah, let's look at the format. Okay, which one should we go for? I think this playful looks superb. Yeah. So you can also add images to this header, but it's not necessary now. If you want to do that, just click here. So that's one area I need you to actually take note of. So now there is a YouTube image, YouTube video rather, embedded on this page, and let's see if we can do that image video. Okay, oops. Okay, it allows for video. Yes, do you see now? So so you just let me take it again. Now click on this add video, and then is either you do your video search or URL. But for this, I want to actually embed this video URL. Let me copy the video URL. What I did was to just right click on this page, and then I got the video URL. You can always get that from, so let me paste it here. Yeah, so can you see now? So the video is showing here, so just click select, and boom, that's it. That's it. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Let me copy this place, and just let me leave this place blank, and make this the video title of some sort. Let's see how it looks like. Oops. Just, you're gonna see how interesting it's gonna be in a moment. Let's center a line. Yes, I think it's okay. We can actually drag it out a little. Okay, let's see if it's gonna, okay, let's preview and see how it actually looks in the meantime, so we can know if we are doing something okay. Wow, amazing. Only that this particular text, we need to actually shift it to the side. So let me quickly see if I can do something around that. Oops, it's not actually working that way. What's going on? Okay, let's just keep it at that. So you can see so our site is getting up little by little. So let's continue. So I haven't done that. We need this image also. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually download this image to my PC. So let me right click, save image as, just a moment. Yeah, okay. So okay, let me just call it MSG1. So now we're going to actually place the image under the video. So you go back here, click on add image. So in this case we want to actually upload the image. So what you do is once you have your image downloaded to anywhere on your PC, so choose an image to upload. So click this, so and then go to where the image is saved. I think I save it somewhere here with MSG1. Oops, let me just see. Yeah, so just give it a moment. It's gonna upload. Still uploading. Yeah, awesome. So you can see the image is actually reflected. So far you don't have any title, just leave it like that. So if you go back and preview, let's reload. If you go back and preview, you see, isn't this amazing? Yeah, quite amazing. So we're getting something. Yeah, so we'll go back to the same site and see what's next. Yeah, this is another bold text, handheld full body slimming massager. Yeah, Ctrl C. Yeah, you're gonna see something interesting now. I think that should be around add description. Oops. Okay, add title and description. Yeah, just click on this so that we can actually, let's just add the title, so we can have a kind of unique font. Yes, so let me reload, because it's not as flexible as you see. So just to make it a little bit fanciful, So I'm going to do the same thing for this second text also. Okay, let me copy this also. I'm just trying to make it easier for you having a website. So what you do again, just come to this add title and description. So under the add title, it's going to bold in it and then make it fanciful. So you place that again. So immediately it will be saved, and then if you reload under your preview, you're gonna get that also. You can see. So I think we're gonna need to change this color so that we could have this this coming out so beautiful. So I think this is what we're gonna do. So let's come back to our customized theme. Let's try this and see. Wow, amazing. You can see the colors are coming out so amazingly. Yes. So let me do this very fast. My baby here is with me doing the video today. It's a weekend here. So yeah, let me copy this as well. So yeah, so Ctrl+C. So go back here again. Let's just close this. So again, you just pick up the title and description so that you can just use it to fanciful the text and make it look unique. So that said, we'll do the same thing for suitable for both male and female. Copy it also. Yeah. So we'll also make it we could decide to make it a description. Okay, let me make it a title itself, but let me see if I can actually pull it to the center. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Mutmaina, what's going on? Okay, so you can see. So it's just kind of playing around with it, and you have something coming up, and buyers are not actually interested in, but this is even far beautiful. So it's just a matter of just putting the dots, crossing the I's, and then dotting the T. So now this image again. So okay, let me download this to my, let me save it to my desktop. Let me call it body. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. So we want to add the image, so you pick this image element here, so click on it. So again, you choose the image, so this is it, and then you make it upload into the platform. It's still uploading. Yeah, Mutmaina is here with me. Mutmaina, all right. So okay, let's center it, align it. Yeah, good. So that done. So we have another one. Now your search for a solution for a slimmer body. Okay, so you copy this. So let's go back to our Google form. So we'll make it a title again. So you can see it's getting interesting. So now what you get also will become a title somewhat. So that way we just go back again and then make it a title, then Ctrl+V paste. So okay, let me see if I can bring it to the middle. Just hope it stays in the middle. Okay, now the remaining text, I'm just going to put it as description. I just hope it's going to align well. So yeah. So let's see, just put it under description. Okay, so you could just add some stuff to actually connote that oops, Okay, okay. Never knew. So you can see. So I'm just trying to actually format it. So I'm doing this live so you could see that there's not so much attached to designing, and actually I'm making it simpler the way I'm doing it. So if you have been doing sales page design for a very long time, you should understand what I'm doing here. And if this is your first time, it's just something you can play around with. There's no coding. It's just for you to type or copy and paste anything you need, so and you're good to go. So within a few minutes your sales page will be ready, and then just pull your Facebook ads to it, and then you start seeing orders coming in, and then you sell off your goods and you apply back the money, and that's how the business revolves. So okay, so let me preview it. Let me preview it here. Awesome. So now, okay, I wouldn't want to waste so much time. Let me just show you how you're gonna get this form. I have showed you the major thing. So this form is very simple, basically because Google form is actually created basically for form submission. So now this is how you create your form. Now watch what I'll be doing here. um mm, mm, okay, let's see. The first one we need is full name. Okay, um full name. Okay, so pick short answer. So and you call this full name. Full name, sorry, full name. And also remember to check this required. Can you see? And so okay, let's duplicate it. So the next is detailed address. So you call this detailed address. Okay, so again, what do we need? Local government. Okay, states. We want to capture their states. Okay, remember this should not be paragraph, this should be short answer. Yeah, this is also short answer. So come here again, duplicate this field, and let's call this states. Can you see? So it's also short answer, it's required. So duplicate. What's the next field? Local government. Local government. Okay, it's required. So I'm going to actually make this one phone number. Don't let us waste time. Phone number. After phone number, quantity needed. How many is your customer buying? Quantity. Quantity, QUAN. Okay, quantity needed. Quantity needed. Then last one should be the quantity. Okay, oops. Yeah, this quantity needed should be multi-choice. Multiple choices. Yes. So let's see. Okay, So you can say one massager device. So it helps your potential buyers to choose what they are buying from you. So maybe you're selling one for, let me see, for 20,000. So 20,000. So that means two could be, you could do a subsidy and say, okay, if you're going to buy two, that could be, let's say you want to sell it for 37,000. So once that is done, I think you have a full blueprint of how Google Form works. So let's preview it here, and you see that we've actually achieved something similar. Can you see now? Can you see now? Full name, they'll put in their full name, detailed address. You see, the meaning why I choose required is if they don't put it in, the form will not be submitted. It will require that they put in their form. So require that they put in their form, state. So all those things are very important. So after which they can submit. So you don't have any excuse not to have your sales page up and running within a short second. So now what then happens when they submit? Now this is under settings. Let me come back here. Now what I use mostly is to collect it into spreadsheets. Do you understand now? So whenever they submit the form goes into a spreadsheet. So okay, but before then, this form will already be on our what's it called, on our Google form. So if you want to now use it to promote, you can copy this link. If you copy this link, now let me open another browser for you. Just to show you what I'm talking about. It's so simple if you follow it step by step the way I just did. So that's the link I copied from my Google form. So let me open so you see. Voila, can you see now? So the page is loading. And one good thing about it is the page loading speed is very fast. Can you see? Can you see? So you don't have any excuse not to have a sales page. This does not cost you money. It only costs you your own creativity and ingenuity. So now your potential customer can now go ahead and say, okay, my name is Taiwo Obanla. So address Allen Avenue, state Lagos, local government Ikeja. I'm only using instances. Phone number, they'll put in their phone number to reach them. So they can now check to say, okay, I need one, I need two. So massager device one. So then Then now hit submit. So you can see relax and tone fast message. So your response has been recorded. So now if I now go back into my account with Gmail, just a moment. So we're gonna see this thing captured on my spreadsheet. Just click on docs under the particular Gmail you're using to design the form. So this is it. So let's go into the sheets. HBP responses. Oops, I think I've not set something is wrong somewhere. It's not capturing. Okay, let me go back and see. Oh, sorry. Now after you've designed, now the responses you get from your form, you have to specify where it goes to. Yes, so come under responses, although I think it has captured it, but it's not I've not specified where you should submit to. So that is what you do. You just, once you come under responses, you can see create spreadsheet. So click on this, so you can see create a new spreadsheet. So you click on what, create. Can you see now? So amazing, you can see. So the timestamp, the full name. So these are the details you're going to retrieve from your spreadsheet, and then you now then know you have a potential buyer for your item. So I wouldn't want to actually make this video a lot longer than this, just to show you how you can use Google Forms to design a simple sales page and then sell off your product without paying a dime. So this is your friend Oladimiji Raji. Oh, wow, this video is a little longer. Okay, I think I need to stop here. So if you have any question, just reach out to me. So God bless you.